Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Spotify's premium plan. It's pretty simple. First you want to go to your browser and you want to go to Spotify. So just search for Spotify. Once you search for Spotify, you want to click on Spotify web player. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in into your Spotify account. So do that. Once you log in into your Spotify account, what you want to do is click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, you want to click on where it says view account. Once you click on view account, it's going to take you to this page. From over here, you want to click on manage your plan. Once you click on manage your plan, it's going to show you the current plan which you have. Now over here, you want to click on change plan. Once you click on change plan, it's going to show you multiple options or multiple plans Spotify has. You can scroll and you can choose whichever one you like. Let's say I like this premium for student. I can click on select right below it. Once I click on select, it's going to take me over here where it's going to ask me for my payment method. But since I've already entered my payment method, it's already here. I can click on change plan and my Spotify's premium plan will be changed. So that is how you guys can change your Spotify premium plan. It's that simple. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.